Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about Bootstrap Column Offsets. Sometimes while designing a web page, we don't want a column to start from the left side. Instead, we may want to move it a little to the right or even place it in the center. So how can we do that without writing custom CSS? Bootstrap provides a very useful feature called column offset. In this video, we will understand what column offset are, why we use them, and how they work with practical example. Don't worry, it is a very easy topic. What are column offsets? Before writing any code, let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you are sitting in a classroom. Your teacher asked you to move two seats to the right. Did your chair become bigger? No. Did the classroom become bigger? No, only your position change. Bootstrap column offset work in exactly the same way. An offset does not change the width of a column. It simply leaves some empty space before the column and move it to the right. All an offset does. Now let's see it practically. Open VS Code. I'm writing here container. Div class name is container. Margin top 5. Now inside the container, I will create a row. And inside the row, I will create column. Let's save the file, open with live server. Now see the output. Our column starts from the left side. Now let's move it using an offset. I will simply add the offset to class. Offset to. Save the file again and see output. Our column has moved to the right. Why? Because offset 2 leaves two empty column before our column. Our column is still 4 column wide. Only its position has changed. This is the purpose of an offset. Now let's increase the offset and change offset 2 to offset 4. Save the file and see output. Now the column moves even further to the right. So the larger the offset value, the more empty space Bootstrap leaves before the column. It's that simple. Now let's see a real world example. Suppose you are creating a login page. Normally we don't place the login form on the extreme left. Most websites display it in the center. We can easily do that using column offset. Replace this login form. Now I'm adding here col 6 and offset 3. DG dark. Save and see output. Understand Bootstrap grid has 12 columns. Our login form takes 6. The offset 3 class leave three empty column. Three column stay. The remaining three columns stay on the right. As a result, the login form appears exactly in the center. This is one of the most common uses of column offsets in real project. You don't need to memorize everything. Just remember this one simple rule. Offset 1, leave one empty column. Offset 2, leave two empty column. Offset 3, leave three empty column. Offset 4, leave four empty columns. The column width never change, only its positions changes. Where do we use column offset? Column offset are used in login pages, registration forms, contact forms, newsletter section, dashboard cards, any section that need to be center or move to the right. Instead of writing custom CSS, Bootstrap let us do this with a single class. So today we learn what Bootstrap column offsets are. We understood that an offset doesn't change the width of column, it simply adds empty space before the column and move it to the right. We also learned how to use offset 2, offset 4 and offset 3 with practical example. I hope this concept is clear. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.